Okay, today we're inside of a hog finisher, and we're actually going to install one of our shutter blanks on this here shutter. As you can see right now, the wind is kind of playing with them, so we're going to take the shutter off and put our clips on and show you how this works. And what we're going to do is we're going to install these clips, and this is a clip that actually will snap right over the flange of the shutter. You want that down so it's tight over the flange. Actually, we're going to take and rotate this. We're going to put the side one on now. Okay, now this one here is the bottom one. If you notice, the bottom one has a little bit of a lip on it. That's actually to hold our blank into place. So you just have to remember that this style one goes on the bottom. Okay, now and this is the other side. This will be the final one. Okay, now we've got all those clips onto the shutter flange. We're going to take and put the shutter back in the hole. Okay, now we've got the shutter back in, and you have to remember that these clips that we just put on will stay on the shutter. They never come off. They can stay on there year round. And then we're just going to take our blank. This is our shutter blank, and this blank has a rubber seal on here. You want to make sure and put that to the outside. That'll seal up against those clips. You basically just take this, set it down inside of this channel, stick her into the hole, and you just take these clips that are already on here, and now your shutter blank is in there. So that's totally sealed off from the cold air, from the wind. You get no breeze or anything through it, so you're totally winterized for the winter and the colder months.